Hazur, my name is Rees Malik and my question is, if someone is reciting Quran and the sun is rising, should they continue reciting Quran?
If somebody is reciting Quran
and if the sun is rising, can they continue reciting?
You can continue reciting Quran. There is no harm in reciting Quran, but there are certain times where you cannot offer your prayers. ठीक है? You have to offer your prayer before sunrise, Fajr prayer, or after sunrise, not at the time when sun is rising. You should not offer your Asr prayer at the time of sunset. Either you offer your prayer before sunset, or if you have no time, then after sunset offer your Asr prayer and join with Maghrib prayer. ठीक है? But it should not be your habit. You should try to offer your prayers in time always. ठीक है? So you must offer your prayer on time. But there is no harm in reciting Quran or just reciting other prayers verbally, which you know very well, you remember. ठीक है? ठीक है? हो गया जवाब? जी. Who told you to not to recite Quran when sun is rising?
I was thinking.
No, you are thinking. Okay.